HOA president built her mansion on my land. I reclaimed everything back in court. I knew something was off the moment I looked at the satellite images my lawyer emailed me. A massive mansion sat on the southern ridge of my property, a ridge I hadn't visited in years. It wasn't just a house. It was a palace, 3 stories, wraparound decks, a private driveway, and a swimming pool carved into the hillside, like she owned the whole mountain. But according to my deed, that ridge was mine. My family bought it back in 1971, and the property lines had never changed. To be sure, I hiked up the ridge the next morning. I carried my old survey map, a GPS tracker, and my drone. When I stood beneath the mansion, the coordinates confirmed it instantly. The entire structure, the house, the yard, the driveway, sat deep inside my land. Not a few feet. 2 full acres. I knocked on the door. The woman who answered smiled like she had been waiting for me. She introduced herself as the HOA president. And before I could say a word, she snapped, "This is private HOA property. You can't be up here." I told her calmly, "Mom, this land belongs to me." She rolled her eyes and said, "No, it doesn't. Check your map." I didn't argue. I walked away. And that was the moment I switched from confused to determined. Back home, I hired a licensed surveyor to redraw the entire boundary with modern equipment. Every pin matched the original plat. Every line confirmed the truth. Her mansion was sitting directly on my land. Then my attorney pulled old county permits. The developer had misfiled the ridge boundaries decades ago, and the HOA president took advantage of the mistake. She'd built her dream home on soil she never owned. We drafted a formal demand: vacate, purchase the land at market rate, or face legal removal. She responded with a letter threatening to fine me for trespassing and harassment. Perfect. One more piece of evidence. So we filed a quiet title action and a claim for illegal encroachment. In court, she tried to argue the land was functionally HOA property. The judge asked her for a deed. She didn't have one. My lawyer submitted the survey, the original deed, the drone footage, and the county's permit records showing she built without proper boundary verification. The judge leaned back, looked straight at her, and said, "Mom, you built your mansion on someone else's land." Judgment was immediate. Her claim was voided. Title was restored entirely to me, and she was ordered to negotiate a purchase, pay rent, or remove the mansion from my property. She went pale. Her board panicked, and homeowners started demanding her resignation right there in the hallway. Now my attorney is finalizing the land use agreement. The ridge is legally mine again, and the HOA president who thought she ruled the mountain now knows exactly who owns the ground under her mansion. If you love HOA justice stories, like the video and subscribe.